Do you have a photo and want to find out more about it? In this video, I will show you how to search by image on Google using your Android mobile. So let's get started. First of all, open Google app on your phone. Now tap on the Google Lens icon in the search bar. Then select the photo you want to search from your gallery. For example, I am selecting this shoe photo. Now you can search the entire image or just a specific part of the image. If you want to search for a specific part, simply select that area of the image. Google Lens will now scan the image and search for related results. Here you can see similar images and information related to the shoe. That's how to search an image on Google using your Android mobile easily. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.